Hey guys, today I want to talk a little bit about how to make some custom roofs. I'm really just going to show you how to do the roof tool by extrusion. I mean it's pretty simple, but if you have kind of a boring building and you want to add a fancy roof out front, you can come to this roof by extrusion. And then you want to click on, you want to do pick a plane. And then I'm going to come to the south view. You can pick this plane. And then usually what happens is it'll make that extrusion come clear through here. It does regardless, but then you have to make sure that you have it tied to this wall. So I actually like to start it with this wall. And then we're on level 2 is where we want our roof, which is this line right here. And so, for example, we'll just do something kind of silly. So we'll do a 2-foot overhang. We'll come out 10 feet at 20 degrees, and then we'll do, something like that. And then we can come a little bit further up if we want to. I mean, it's all depends on how your roof is going to be. And then you hit escape, and that's pretty much it. You finish it. You click finish, and this is what I mean by it. It comes through here. Let me hide that. So it comes clear through here. So you want to drag it out to wherever you want it, if you want a big overhang or little overhang. The reason I picked this plane personally is because then it's already tied to this. But I'll show you what it's like if you don't do that. So I'm just going to hit Control Z a couple times to restart it. So you come back down to roof extrusion, pick a plane, and then we'll pick this plane. And again, we want to go to the second level because this is our second level. And we'll do something kind of different but silly. Just to kind of explain this. We'll do something like that, and then like that, and sure, we'll do that. So you hit escape, and then that'll create that footprint essentially, and then you can hit finish. And occasionally, depending on how technical it is, how many angles and things like that, it might not be able to make that extrusion. So now we come to the 3D view, and it's still coming all the way through your roof, or all the way through your building, and actually to this other side. And so what you'll have to do then is pull it back to here, and then you'll want to get your align tool, and then you want to hover over this wall and press tab until it clicks the plane, or the surface. You'll click that, and then you'll click the edge of this, and that'll tie it together. So it's just one extra step, but either way you can pick this plane or this plane, and you'll still get that same basic shape. And so then from there you can click your walls. I'll just do this real quick. Click your walls and then attach to top, and there you have a funky little roof. And you can do that for a lot of different implications. I think my favorite one personally right now is just a simple arched roof. It kind of adds to the design of more architectural commercial buildings, kind of a thing. But again, you can do really anything that you can think of. You can create it. But let me show you real quick what I mean by sometimes it won't work. So you want to come back to your roof by extrusion, and then pick a plane, and I'm just going to pick that plane, and level 2, and then from what I've noticed is if you do like harsh angles, so we'll do kind of like a zigzag mountain range kind of looking roof. So something kind of like that. It may not work. Oh, it worked. Cool. But anyways, I did one earlier that was pretty zigzaggy, and it didn't work. But that doesn't mean that there's no other way to do it. So there you have it. Simple way to make extrusion roofs. Thanks for watching.